All right, Tony, we just heard. We have the Russian chain match in the Great American Bash. All right, we have a Skywalker's match. Can you imagine this? The Powers of Pain and the Road Warriors up there, what, 20 feet above the ring?
There, that's right. And also, David, what we want to talk about is the Tower of Doom, something that Kevin Sullivan has been talking about for weeks now. What it basically is, I understand, 3 cages high. That's right. On top of each other.
So you're talking about 40 feet, 3 cages high. They enter in on the top level, and they fight their way down to the bottom, and there's something special at the bottom.
We understand at the bottom will be Precious with a key, and the team, there are 5 men on each team. 1 man at a time climbs the ladder up, tries to fight his way through with a series of trap doors. The team that can escape will be declared the winner.
All right, Jimmy Garvin, about this Tower of Doom. You go in there not knowing what's going to happen.
First of all, David, I got to tell you, I don't exactly understand the rules and regulations, but I want to take some time right now. I want to take some time right now to thank my brother Ronnie, to thank the people that have stood behind me, and to also thank Precious, who isn't here with me now. And the reason she isn't here with me now is something that Kevin Sullivan can only say. Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Sullivan is the only man that can come out here and tell you what he did or what he said to my woman to change her completely. The fact is this. They call it the Tower of Doom. 3 levels, 3 cages on top of each other. I don't care if there was 10 cages on top of each other. I don't care if there was 100 guys in the ring. I care about my family. I care about my brother. I care about the woman I love. I care about the woman that's always been mine, Kevin Sullivan. You come out here and you tell these people that you're going to get Precious back. Well, let me tell you something, Pally, you sick individual. I don't care what it takes. The Garvin family are tight. We've been tight for years. We're going to stay tight, and we're in a situation. We're in a situation that really I'm not sure of, David, because it could be a career-ending situation. But I'm not going to let nobody come around here and dictate to the Garvin family and push the Garvin women around. And Kevin Sullivan, I'm going to find out what you told her. And we're going to come clean off of this, and then we're going to end it all. And I'm going to get my woman, and me and my brother Ronnie, we're going to leave everybody in the dust.